Here's some must-have travel products for your next adventure. Chuck this portable digital luggage scale in your backpack to make sure your bags are never overweight. And don't forget this guy. It lets you use your own headphones for the in-flight entertainment. Speaking of headphones, noise cancelling can help to block out the hum of cabin noise and focus solely on your tunes, movies, and podcasts, so you can get to your destination in peace. Earbuds with charging cases are super compact and light, while over-ears are the best for max comfort and block out the most noise. Portable chargers are perfect to keep your USB-powered devices like phones, action cameras, and smartwatches juiced up while you travel. Remember, the more milliamps, the more charge they hold and deliver. Portable speakers are a must-have for any adventure. They connect to your phone via Bluetooth and can give you up to a day's worth of listening off the battery. Some models are even drop, dust, and water resistant, so check out the IPX rating. The bigger the number, the more protected they are against the elements. E-readers are perfect for those that love books but not the bulk. They hold thousands of books with digital screens that simulate ink on paper, and some are even IPX8 waterproof, so you can read in the bath or by the pool. Plus, some of the newer models even display colour. If you're travelling light and need to charge your USB devices, rather than packing a bunch of chargers, look for one with built-in USB A and C ports to charge them off the one outlet, which will save you heaps of space in your luggage. And don't forget to get the right plug type for your destination.